when the believers enter into the Jannah, they will be greeted by the malaika, by the angels, who will greet them with greetings of peace. Salamun alaykum, peace be unto you. When you look into this verse in Surah Al-Ra'd, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions 2 verses before that these individuals are the ones who had the sabr. They had the patience for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They are the ones who established the prayer. They're the ones who gave from what Allah has given them secretly and openly. And then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala describes for us some of the pleasure of the Jannah. And then this verse comes, Salamun alaykum, peace be unto you, bima sabartum. Once again, the sabr. The verses before, alladhina sabaru, the ones who had the patience. And here, bima sabartum, for the patience that you had when it came to being obedient to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, establishing your prayers, doing what you're supposed to do, and the sabr, the patience you had, which was staying away from the haram and staying away from that which Allah forbid you from doing. What do you get in return? You enter into the Jannah to be there eternally, and the greetings you will receive from the angels, Salamun alaykum, peace be unto you.